Where the hell have you been? Want to make some mac and cheese, huh? Alright, let's do this then. Let me guess. You've been searching the internet looking for mac and cheese recipes. I'm gonna save y'all a little bit of time. All them other recipes? Wrong. Make my recipe. It's way better. Also, before y'all get crazy in the comments, I know this ain't supposed to be called mac and cheese because I didn't use macaroni noodles, but guess what? I don't care. Rigatoni and cheese don't sound as good. Let's get on this. Now that you've decided to give up on life, let's fry up some bacon. When it's done cooking, set it aside and dispose of the extra bacon fat. Just make sure you leave a little in the skillet for later. Bring some water to a boil and throw in a pinch of salt. Dump in 16 ounces of rigatoni pasta. Cook the pasta till it's al dente, around 10 minutes or so. Strain the pasta and set it aside for a second. In your cast iron skillet, add 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Add 1 egg and mix it with a whisk. Add 1 teaspoon of instant broth. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk it all together. Hey, remember that pasta you cooked a minute ago? Go ahead and pour your cream mixture all over it and stir it. My recipe calls for 4 ounces of shredded jack cheese, 4 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. The majority of it's going to go on in a second, but I like to throw in a little bit now just to make sure everything's coated thoroughly. Scoop out just enough noodles to cover the bottom of the skillet. Break off a bunch of pieces of bacon and spread them on top of your pasta. Chop a 1/2 cup worth of bell pepper into some small squares and add them to the skillet. Shred a total of 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese and cover the pasta with 1/3 of it. Shred a total of 4 ounces of jack cheese and cover the pasta with 1/3 of it. Then add another layer of coated pasta to the skillet and repeat the process from before. Add a layer of bacon. Add a layer of sharp cheddar cheese. Add a layer of jack cheese. Throw in the rest of your bell pepper. Then add 1 last layer of pasta to the top. Cover the top with the rest of your cheese. Make sure there's a good amount left for the top. Bake it at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. And there you have it, the best mac and cheese you'll ever stuff down your pie hole. Look at all that cheesy goodness. There's your mac and cheese. I'm a gall-darn genius. Man, that's good. I'll win a prize at the fair for this one.